At Solaxi Group, we provide cost-effective and comprehensive global solutions to climate change. What is the carbon market? As governments place a cap on companies' allowable greenhouse gas emissions, the demand for a carbon market is in full swing. A carbon offset represents the reduction, avoidance, or storage of 1 metric ton of greenhouse gas. Businesses that produce less than their allocation can sell their unused emissions as a carbon credit or offset to other companies, like a permission slip for emissions. The purchaser of the offset reduces their footprint by investing in carbon neutral or sequestration initiatives, including planting trees, converting waste to energy, or renewable energy and cookstove projects. The carbon market creates additional revenue streams for industries that already store carbon, such as agriculture, forestry, and clean energy companies. Carbon markets are necessary for meeting the net zero emissions targets by 2050 and will help cut emissions faster by offering a clear financial incentive. Companies can use carbon credits to become carbon neutral and brand themselves as being part of the solution for creating a greener Earth. By contributing to carbon offset projects, companies signal to consumers and investors that they're paying more than just lip service to combat climate change. They are claiming corporate social responsibility. To learn more and get involved, visit solaxigroup.com.